Alright, now it's time to play some game. But the truth is, this thing is so boring. I want to play Fate Stay Night, you know. On the Fate Stay Night's original website, we can find the system requirement. We need Windows 98 at least. We are using Mac OS, so it's not possible to play on it. CPU and RAM is enough. We need just to find the solution to play Windows game on Mac. It's easy, I will show you. First thing we must to do, obviously, is just download Fate Stay Night. We need to search Fate Stay Night installation guide Reddit on Google. This is the website we need to go. Alright, and click on this link. In here, Google Drive, we can just download everything except flowchart. When everything we need is already finished download, which is Fate, Heaven's Feel, Unlimited Blade Works, and some patches. Then we need to download virtual machine. We can use VMware or VirtualBox. Here we type VMware 12 and just download it on the official website. Because VMware is giving some free license key, so when you register new account, you can just get license for free. And be careful to check which version of VMware is supported for your system. Like me, I have VMware Fusion 11.5. This is highest VMware, which supports my version. If you don't know how to download VMware Fusion, there's more option to choose, like VirtualBox. It's completely for free. And Oracle VM VirtualBox download. Alright, for OS X. Here we go. Our VirtualBox is here. Install VMware is easy. The last thing we need to download is the image of Windows. Let's go to MSDN. On the main website, on the left, there is operating system. We click on it, and it will show the every system it have. They are all Windows, and you can choose what version of Windows you want to install. Like for Fate Stay Night, I will choose Windows XP because Windows XP doesn't take too much CPU and RAM or storage. I will choose Windows XP Service Pack 3, or maybe here I think. Just copy the ED2K to some torrent download application like Qubit Torrent, which I don't have. I only have Thunder, which is a Chinese software, and I think it's pretty useful. Copy it and download. Actually, I recommend new MSDN website because you can see it's so slow for the old one. And we can type next.items tellyu.cn. This is Chinese website. If you trust, so it's okay. If you don't trust, just find other way to download. You will need to log in. Here, Windows XP. Professional with Service Pack 3. Copy and reinstall. Normal download speed should look like this, like 3 megabytes per second, or maybe higher. Once it's finished, just like here, we can finally create virtual machine. Open VMware, click plus, create new, choose Windows XP Professional, create new disk, customize. I'll put my virtual machine here. You can choose your own place. So, like, I don't need camera, I don't need the printer, and that's all. Connect the CD, DVD, choose the image of Win. Here, open. Alright, it's connected. You can choose how many CPU core you want to give the virtual machine. I will choose 2, and RAM I will give 1 gigabyte. So that's all. Just open. My fan is going crazy, so we need to wait. It says if I want to install Windows XP, then press enter and F8. Enter. Choose format quick. Okay, we need to set something. I can just click next, write name, and that's it. Next. The password, I don't think we need it. Now it's time to install some driver. It's finished. Let's do some configuration for Fate Stay Night folder. Select all and use your software to do this. Once they are finished, better put them in one folder. Heaven's Feel, Fate, Unlimited Blade Works. Let's put Fate Crack into Fate folder. Copy and just place here. Then we need to delay the slash. This is very important or your game will not launch. delete slash and make it look like this is fine. Here too, delete slash and use space. I think we need to change name here too. Delete slash use space. Delete wait. Delete slash use space. And the same thing again. It should work now. I believe this folder is finished. Then let's go to Windows XP and go to VMware settings. Let's add share folder. We will share this one. We need to move the folder which we created before into desktop is birthplace, I think. Let's create another folder, and the folder name will be Fate Realtà Noir Save Data. And we just move the English pages into there. H mode if you want. That's all. The main Fate library is still copying, and after that we will need to copy the Fate Realtà Noir save data folder, just like here, into documents. They must be separated, or the game just can't launch. Looks like everything's done. Let's try it. Fate. We will use the crack exe to open.